Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have some Blythe news, but I put Amaya Rain in the frame because I really like her outfit, and I just want to show it off again. I love Blythe dolls of all shapes and sizes. I am crazy about Neos. I might have just bought 2 more for ideas that I have coming up. I was deciding between a blonde for one idea and a blue-haired doll for another idea, and Darren said, get them both. So I did. I wanted to show you the little dress that I just finished for my Middie Blythe. I made the pattern. Darren made these little shoes. I absolutely love them. This one is a little loose, but that's okay. I absolutely love these Middie Blythes. I did the face up on her. I love them. If you're unfamiliar, they have a dial in the back of their head, and their eyes, like a creepy photo, move back and forth. Isn't that the coolest? Anyway, I made her this little pattern and little dress, and I love this print. It is Vampira, Elvira, Morticia, and Lily Monster, and I just love it. And I put Elvira on the top, and then I put a V, for cleavage. And it's just a simple little dress, but I think it worked out really cute. And then I did get a top ready. I was telling you that I was working on a top. This is not the top, but at least she has a top. My little Chubby Blythe, who I absolutely adore. These dolls, this is an icy face mold, and they change just like all the others. And I need to pull her hair back out of her eyes, don't I? I just love her. She's on a Mimi Bobek body. I did get a little top made for the size. Now I'm going to do the same thing again and add sleeves. I'm not sure if I showed you, and if I did, forgive me, her other little gathered skirt, which you have to make different for the Chubbies than you do for, let's see if I can pull this down over. Oh, not so easily. You have to make their gathered skirts different than the other Blythes. Well, that's just not going to lay right, is it? I'll get that. You have to make them swoop in the front outward so that it covers the belly, or it will be short in the front. So that's what I had done. Well, I need to wrestle with that top. But I used a 14-inch doll pattern, and I made this top, and I closed it in the back, and it's got to have wide arms. You'll see how wide these are, because if not, it won't go over the expansion, I guess you'd call it, of her arms to get it on. Doesn't matter where you put them, front or back, it will not go. So I'm going to try the same thing, and then I'm going to add sleeves to that. And then I have a package that arrived, but it is not for me. It is for me, but I bought it for someone else. Move her. I'd like her still in the frame, but out of the way. So let's see what I can do here. This is, I've been pulling her in and out of the stand, so I must have pulled the stick up. There we go. I ordered these when they went on sale. Another YouTuber and I were talking, and we had this idea, and we saw this doll, and they were on sale, and I said, you know what? I'm buying 2. I'm getting me one, I'm getting you one. I'll mail it to you, because we have this idea. Oh, good. She came with hands, so there'll be extra hands, because we are going to need different grips and things for what we're doing. Let me cut this real quick. Let me repeat. Carefully, cut this real carefully, because if I cut real quick, the hair will be messed up.
Crying could be involved.
What?
Crying could be involved.
Crying could be involved. Yeah, there you go. All right. Oh, gosh. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm not going to undo this doll much more. I do want to check her out, but let's take a look at the eyes, make sure that mechanism is working. Oh yeah. We're gonna customize these dolls to be a bit different. Yeah, that's fine. I just wasn't pulling hard enough. And I'm gonna leave her on gray eyes. I like the gray eyes. They have shorter hair. We both like that. We like the curl to it. Really cute. So we got that. I'm not going to tell you what we'll do, but I will tell you that I'm mailing this with hers. And I might have the same outfit for mine. It's just a little pixie hat. I really like these with the belt. And I love a whimsical Blythe outfit. And I love these sock monkeys. So that's going to be fun. Stay tuned. That's going to take a little while for us to do the customs, and we hope to be done by Thanksgiving. We'll see. But we've got the customs to do and the outfits to do, and it's really going to be fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.